This is Activity 7.3 on page 166, Controlling Page Layout. We have My Fact Sheet page appearance open in Word. We have so far added a page border, headers, and footers. You'll decrease the white space on the page margins. After you do this, you'll have to make some adjustments to the formatting throughout your document. So first we're going to set narrow margins. We're going to go up to the Layout tab, and in the Page Setup group, we're going to select the Margins drop-down. It shows you some presets. The last custom setting that I've used, normal with 1 inch all around, narrow, moderate, wide, and mirrored. We're going to set our document to narrow. This will have a 1/2 inch on top, bottom, left, and right. And you can see as I apply that, the document area becomes larger with less white space around the edge of the page. So because there is now more column width, the tab stop for page numbers in the page 2 and 3 footers is no longer centered. So if we look at our footer area, you can see it's kind of off to the left now. It's not really centered down our page. And if I scroll, the section of chapters is the only thing on the last page. So first we want to recenter the page number. So we're going to enter footer editing mode. I can do that by just double clicking where it says page 2. And we're going to adjust the centering tab stop so the page number is centered on the page. So here's my center tab stop. It looks like we're using about 7.5 inches of the page. So I'm going to bring it to about, we'll say 3.25. So I'll just click and drag that over and drop that into place. And once I do that, I can double click in my document area to exit footer mode. Number 3, we're going to force a page break. On the bottom of page 2, position the insertion point at the beginning of the heading, More Ways to Support Building with Heart. So I'm going to put my insertion point right here. I'm going to go up to my Insert tab, and in my Pages group, I'm going to select Page Break. So this is going to force the paragraph to the next page. And now we're going to add space between the header and the page body. So if we go up and we look at page 2, you can see our header that we added with the Building with Heart text. It's very close to our page body text where we have Who Can Volunteer. And the same thing with page 3 with our More Ways to Support Building with Heart. So we want to add a little extra white space in between those two lines of text so it's not so squished together. So if you take a look at, let me go into view and change this to one page. And I'm going to zoom in a little bit here. So if you take a look at the ruler, you can see, where it turns white and then the top part is gray? When I hover over that, I get this 2-directional arrow. This is actually the header area in gray and then the regular document area in the white. So I can click and drag this to make the header space bigger. So if I click and drag down, you can see it's going to move the body of my document. So you can add a little extra white space to give it a cushion in between those two lines. And if I scroll up, so that was page 3, if I scroll up to page 2, it did it there as well. And even though I don't have a header on my first page, it did add some extra cushion to the top as well. Okay, so just because I don't have header there, it still affected the spacing. All right, I'm going to go up and save my updates on my quick access toolbar, and we will leave this document open.